Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem sliding window maximum. This is a very famous interview problem. So you are given an array of integer nums. There is a sliding window of size k which is moving from the very left of the array to the very right. You can only see the k numbers in the window, and each time the sliding window moves right by one position, and we have to return the maximum sliding window. So in every window we have to find what value is maximum and we have to keep that value. So for example 1, we have this is our input array and the window size is 3. So let's understand this problem over here. So initially if I create the first window will be this. So these 3 element will be there and the maximum among these 3 will be 3. So 3 will come the first in the first window, then the window will move next from over here to here, then again maximum is 3, this will become 3. Now window will move further right and maximum in the new window is 5, then new window will move further right, so maximum is 5. Like that we will get 6, 7. So this, and how many windows we will get total? So n, if total n number in our array n element, then n minus k plus 1 element into the our result array. So these many windows we can have of size k. So one of the brute force solution is just run over array and try to create all the windows n minus k plus 1 windows, and then run our for loop on the k element and find the maximum in that. So this is the brute force solutions. So here is the code for the brute force solution. What I did, I just run a for loop for ith index up to the n minus k plus 1 windows, and every time I found the maximum of that current window. So the current window will running from I to I plus k, like that. So every time once we get the maximum we fill into the result of I. So this is the one solution. So if you see, the time complexity of this solution will become O of n k, where n is a number of element in our original array and k is a number of element in the window size. So this solution will time out because of the constraint given in the problem is very high. So k can go up to 10 power 5 and n is also 10 ki power 5. So this solution is kind of 10 power 10, which will be definitely timed out. So how we can further optimize this solution? So let's see. So if we create like first window, and in this window we know the maximum, the index of, or like we need to find a data structure which will always keep the element in our window from in the decreasing way. So if I add 1 first, the window size is still not reached, then what I will do, I am getting second element 3. So before adding 3, what we will do, we will check the last element till the last element is not greater, then we will remove out. So what we will do, if the last element is not greater, we will keep removing it from the window, then we will add the new element. Now the minus 1 will be, can be added as here. Why it is the reason? So like if in the size k window we definitely know the left side, if not the greater element, if the element after this is maximum, then this element will not be a maximum of this window and further windows. So that's the reason we can remove the smallest element if we found the bigger element after that. Now once we reach here, so at every time in the start will be the element of the our window, which is the maximum element of that window, current window. Now minus 3 is coming here, so minus 3 is smaller than, we can keep minus 3 over here. So now if you see, the size of our this window itself is reached to the window size, so we will remove the element from the start. Now once we remove this element, we got another element which is 5. Now 5 is greater than this, we will remove this, and this also pop out from the list, then we will add the 5. So this way we will use the data structure which will support adding and removing from both ends. So the adding and removing from both ends, the good data structure is we can use linked list in Java. So this will help us, we can add here and remove from here as well, and add remove from here and add here as well. So we will just use the property like remove from here once the size is met equals to the k window size k, and compare, pop from here if the element is smaller, and if element is not smaller, then we will keep it, and every time we will add the new element. So, let us quickly start the implementation. So, for implementation, what we need to check, we need a data structure linked. So, linked list integer index new and also we will create a list, the result list, where we will keep the maximum element of our each windows. Then we will run from int I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Now, we will check if the size of our window, the indexes is cross the k, then as we are keeping the index in our linked list. So, what we will do, just we will first check if index dot size is greater than 0 and the element at first. So, index dot get first the index and is greater than or equals to I minus k. So, this k I minus k is the our current window size. If it is, then we will remove the first element, keep removing if this. So, remove the index dot remove first element. Another case, if while index dot size is greater than 0 and the current number, the new number is coming, which is greater than or equals to the nums in our at index in the last element. So, index dot get last. If it is the case, then we will again index dot remove last, keep removing from the last. If this done, then we will add the index dot add last in I, and we will also check if we reach, if I is greater than the k minus 1, this is the place where the first window is full, first window is created. Then we will keep populating in the result the maximum, result dot add from the nums at index from the get first. So, this is the place where we will get, and after doing this we will return result dot stream. We will convert using Java 8 stream into the list to array, integer array, primitive int array, map to int x to x to array. So, this is, you can also use the normal traditional by using the for loop and all. So, let us try to compile it and see. 5, there is a so it should be greater than or equals to, because the first window, if you see the k is 3, the first window is from index 0 to 2th index. So, this is k minus 1. So, if I equals to k minus 1, then the first window will be created, hence we need to take it equal. Now, it will work. Let us try again, and it is working as it is. Let us submit this, and it is accepted. So, if you see, we are just processing all the element of our array once, and once it can go in the index list or will remove it, and at max there will be a k element in our index list. So, the time complexity of this solution is O of n, and space complexity is in worst case is will be O of k with this index array. But if we consider result, this will be O of n minus k plus 1, that many windows will be generated from the n element of size k. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.